So we'll see where we go from here. All right, hello Dad and friends. I hope you're having a great day. Aspen and I are just getting ready to do another 2 nights of camping here this weekend. We're gonna go out tonight and then tomorrow, Saturday night as well. So as you can see, I gotta get the truck packed up. I gotta throw the tent on, which should be pretty easy. I can show you how I do that. And yeah, basically everything else is ready. Throw some food in the cooler and throw everything else in the back of the truck. So it's gonna be fun. We're doing something I've always wanted to try. It's kind of hood to coast, but the opposite. So we're gonna do 1 night camping on the beach out at Sand. Sit down. And then 1 night camping up at Mount Hood with the snow. However, I don't know where we're gonna camp up at Mount Hood, so we'll see. All right, so yeah, I can show you how I put the tent on. Nothing fancy, nothing elegant about it, but I really enjoy being able to do it by myself. So yeah, see how I do it. So like I mentioned, I'm really excited to try and do 1 night on sand and then 1 night on snow. We'll see how the snow part goes. I really want to find a really cool winter spot up by Mount Hood, you know, a view of Mount Hood, free dispersed camping. I don't know that it exists, but I'm going to try and find it. Aspen loves her little hammock, backseat hammock thing. Look at her now. Oh my God. Spoiled. Every time when I put my clothes bag in the truck on that side, she's like, excuse me, I don't have my full back seat. Spoiled dog, for sure. All right, we just met up with the crew. We're gonna kind of head to camp and get all set up and go from there.
But I'm better than 35. I think it's better than 30. We should. Yeah. Well, that.
I'm in the pot calling the pedal black.
Flacco.
I don't know.
Come on, hey. Hey.
Yeah.
It was late. We played all day from 7 to 8. I mean, it was a long day. Yeah. We were trying to go find like that high side to get the other one. And then it's solo over there. I'm not 20 much of it.
All right, good morning. We sat by the fire for a long time last night, so I didn't really do much filming and crawled into bed probably around 11. But I had a pretty good night's sleep, probably like 8 hours, so I'm feeling good. Get camp all packed up, and I need to make some coffee ASAP. And we'll be on our way. Aspen loves her new friends. So this is the little camp that we've got set up here. It's all it was pretty windy, so we got everything kind of batched down. But it's a good little spot. You can definitely get a lot of cars in here. We've got 4 cars now, but we could easily get 6 plus, which is great. It's a good little spot. Aspen's found her happy place. She's guarding it from her friends, making sure no one else is getting in there. So that was a lot of fun last night. I had a blast. We got super lucky with the weather. We had like 3 hours of no rain last night by the fire. And I was just really enjoying all the company. It was a lot of fun. Aspen's getting her beady rest. We got about another 2 hours till we hit some snow. But cruising away. Isn't that comfy? You comfy right there? She's leaning on my pillow. Yeah, I bet it's nice. Well, we are certainly exploring up here. Not having a whole lot of luck. Even all of our Plan B parking lots are pretty full. There's at least like 2 to 3 vans in them, and I mean, I just don't really like the idea of camping in a parking lot per se, but we'll see. See what's around the next bend. Well, we've looked at, I don't know, 4 or 5 spots, and we're getting skunked so far. The road's either closed or the berm is so high up off the main road that obviously I can't get over it. So we'll see. Just keep chugging along, but Aspen's excited to be out of the car for a little bit. But yeah, we are on a snowmobile only road, but wanted to kind of check it out. So we'll see where we go from here. This is really the only option I've found so far, but it's right on a parking lot, so I don't want any part of that pretty much. Could be nice, but it's pretty wet, so probably pass. Well, we found this kind of little dispersed campground area thing. It's kind of secluded. I have to get over that little berm. Oh, look, poor Aspen. You okay? Yeah, you're fine. Yeah, we'll see. I think that's Plan B. Oh, dang, we were so close to finding one. There's a campsite just up the road there, but I don't think we're going to be able to get to it. Found a sweet lake I've never been to before, though. Well, we might have gotten skunked. I don't think I can really find anything for us tonight, which is a bummer, but that's how it happens. I'm gonna head back down this road right now because it's basically just a sheet of ice, so in case it gets any worse, we're heading down. Well, at least we found some snow, but we're gonna call it. It's late. Nowhere to camp. And we're only like an hour from home, so that'll be camp for the night, and we'll see how it goes. Overall, fantastic trip. I was pretty disappointed that I didn't find an epic snow camping site the second night, but that's how it goes. You know, I think that it's going to take just more exploring, especially in that area, right? All the campgrounds are closed, forest roads are closed, so There's only so much research that I can do from a computer. You just got to get out there and go explore. And so that's what I'm going to do. Just more day trips. I needed more daytime, etc. But yeah, hopefully soon I'll be able to complete my sand camping one night and then snow camping night number 2. So hopefully that'll happen soon. But yeah, overall I had a ton of fun. That's pretty much it for this video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. I am going to post camping coordinates. I did join Patreon, so you're welcome to follow me on Patreon and support, this channel. I've really had a ton of fun doing these, so I think I'm going to continue to try and create these videos. But then, I've created little camping guides with the locations on Etsy, so I'll post a link in the description below, and you can go in and purchase those sites. If you want, and figure out, you can take my 2 cents of it, and I'll answer any questions you have about the area, and get the coordinates. But I was asked to not share locations on YouTube, so I'm going to follow that advice. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I do have some dog gear items I'm going to share, so if you are interested in that, stick around. If not, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. But yeah, I'm a huge gear person in general. And so I thought that I would share some items that make camping more enjoyable for Aspen and I. So yeah, well, the first one, so the hands down the best thing, and Aspen's dying for a treat here. There you go. The hands down the best thing that we have for her is her collar. So this is a sports dog. It's like an e-collar. I think this is like the 100-yard trainer e-collar, but basically it's got a little button on the side that has a beep, and then it's got a vibrate and a shock, and then you can adjust the level of the shock. We haven't ever taken it off level 1, but it's great. So she's off-leash trained. I can't remember the last time she was actually on a leash, maybe Home Depot. Sometimes I got a Home Depot a lot, but yeah, so it's been great. We had a ton of training when she was a puppy to use this collar, so please don't just throw it on your dog. But I can't recommend these guys enough. And this has been like 3 years with this collar. We're probably due for another one, but it's working pretty well. I also just threw an Apple AirTag on here. Follow a couple channels, I'm sure you've seen it, but I don't know, I just saw recently kind of a dog got lost camping. It was a very old dog, and I think kind of they left for a reason, but I would love like a GPS tag on her, but they're very expensive, and this seems cheap. Probably not the best for like wilderness, but yeah, maybe it'd help me find her if she decided she found a better home, which is very likely. So, but another thing that I wanted to share is just the super simple light. I think it's very important to have a light, especially when you're camping with the dog. This is a really cheap one on Amazon. I think it's called Night Light. It's just really simple light. She doesn't necessarily love it when it goes on her collar, because when she runs, it kind of bounces around. Someone at camp, this trip actually had one that went red. So I want one of those, because red is cool. So I want red really badly. Yeah, and then I got this Ruffware. This is a company out of Bend. This is like a little dog bowl or a water container, but it's one of those, one of the running ones, so it packs up super small. I'm a truck camper, well, a baby truck camper, little Tacoma, little baby truck. So I have all the room in the world, but we'll see if she likes that one. There's a little treat in there, so she'll love that. And then yeah, this jacket's been pretty good. We just got this off Amazon. This one's pretty cheap, but it's really lightweight. It's purple, so everyone can tell she's a girl, which is key. Kurgo is the brand, K-U-R-G-O. It's got like this little reflective strip that I really like that you can see at night. Obviously she's like camouflage, so it's very difficult to see her at night, so I like that a lot. She hates just about any jacket, but we'll see. I did get a nice like flannel wool jacket that she was gonna wear on when we were snow camping, but we didn't go snow camping, so we'll see. But yeah, well, thank you for watching. I'm having a lot of fun filming these videos, so I'm looking forward to the next one, and we'll see you soon. Speak. No, to the camera. Speak to the camera. Right? No. Come. Aspen, come. Come. No. Come. Up. Up. Speak. Say goodbye. Speak. Speak.